Oh, T-Dog Nation, welcome to part 2 of our Monster Truck Relay Race Tournament. In part 1, we had Team Blue Thunder from the Spin Master line of Monster Trucks win part 1, and now they're in the championship race for part 2 to see which one of these lucky 8 teams of Hot Wheels they will take on to see who goes to the Tournament of Kings. And our first 2 teams for part 2, we have Team Midwest Madness versus Team Mega Rex. Here we go with our first race of part 2. And Team Mega Rex is the first team going to round number 2. Up next, we have Team Dodge Charger versus Team Corvette. Go. Go. Team Corvette will be taking on Team Mega Rex in the semi-final round. Our next 2 teams are Team 5 Alarm versus Team Dairy Delivery. Oh, no chance. Oh, no chance. Team Dairy Delivery is the third team going to the semi-final round. Our last 2 teams before the semi-final round, we have Team Town Hauler versus Team V-Dub Drag Bus. Team Town Hauler will be facing Team Dairy Delivery in the semi-finals. Our first race for the semi-final round, we have Team Mega Rex versus Team Corvette. Let's race. Oh! Ho, ho. Team Corvette is going to the final round. Who is facing Team Corvette to see who goes to the championship round? It's either going to be Team Dairy Delivery or Team Town Hauler. Go. Oh! Go. Team Dairy Delivery is going up against Team Corvette to see who takes on Team Blue Thunder and become your first ever relay race champion. This is a one and done. The winner is Dairy Delivery. The winner is Dairy. The championship race is finally here. Team Blue Thunder versus Team Dairy Delivery. Who will be your first ever relay race kings? This is a best of 3. Team Dairy Delivery has their first win. If they take this, they're going to the Tournament of Kings. And it's over. And it's over. There you have it, T-Dog Nation. Team Dairy Delivery is your relay race kings and is going to the Tournament of Kings later this summer. Alright, T-Dog Nation, I hope you guys enjoyed part 2 of our relay race monster truck tournament. And Team Dairy Delivery is now in the Tournament of Kings. So with that being said, if you could please do me a favor, smash that like button, click that subscribe button, and ring that bell to never miss an upload. And also, I am racing monster trucks over on my TikTok, so I will post that down in the link of the first link down in the description. So with that being said, T-Dog is out.